This is going to be how to change the pinion gear in a slash. Hi guys, welcome to Sleep RC Repeat. Today we're going to be teaching you how to change the pinion in a two-wheel drive slash. This is a brushed model, and so first step is take off the tire. The next step is to take off this screw and this screw. There's only two screws and one of them is longer, so make sure you pay attention to which screw is which, and it should just fit right in the gearbox when you take it off, so yeah. Alright guys, so the next step is to loosen the pinion gear and take it off, and then take off these two screws completely. Plus, here's a tip. So if you're having trouble, if you look, that screw is longer than this screw. So when the cover's on like this, the shorter screw goes on the bottom. Alright, if you guys have done that step right, you should be able to remove the motor. And then you can also, the kit comes with a, well, if you got it just newer, like a year ago or so, it should have one of these gear mesh setters that originally comes with it. So you're going to put this pinion on, not too tight. You're going to slip it through. I'm going to put you on just for a, I'm not going to put it in a time lapse, just so you can see what's happening. Okay, so what we're going to do is to see the pin, just put it on and make sure it lines up with that flat part right there. And just put on this, like so. And then just knit it up a little bit so it stays in place, doesn't move around, so you don't need anything too tight. And then just, well, make sure you, this piece, it'll be a lot easier to use for the screws. So the way you put it on is you put it on just like this, so that the bumpy part goes on this part right here. And then you should be able to put it on. Alright, I'm going to put you on a time lapse. Alright guys, now that you've done that step, you're almost complete. You just need to tighten up this pinion. Make sure you get it as tight as you can. And make sure it's still with that flat part, or else you could end up stripping stuff, and then that ruins your whole motor rod. And so, if you look, you can almost just see it right here, how the flat part is lined up. And then just tighten it up as much as you want. I mean, you're not really going to need Loctite unless you have an X-Max, or anything brushless, but right now you should be good. Now once you tighten that, then you can just put everything back on. So yeah, I'll see you then. Make sure that pinion gets lined up with the spur gear as much as possible, so that it covers the whole surface area. Alright guys, here is your last step, and it's going to be putting on the tire. Alright guys, so we're going to test if it works. Let's see. I'm just gonna... Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And I'm going to do another cleaning episode soon, so stay tuned, subscribe. Bye.